Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to disassemble Lenovo Thinkpad L560 model, how to replace the hard drive and upgrade it with an SSD, how to add some RAM modules, RAM memory, and how to clean the CPU fan. So rotate it on the bottom side. First take out the battery, push these sliders and slide out the battery. Now with a small screwdriver, there are 3 screws on this plate which have to be unscrewed. Unscrew them and carefully remove this panel. Now first I will show you how to replace the hard drive and upgrade it with an SSD. Just slide the hard drive this way and take it out. As you see, there is plastic bracket here. Just remove it, place the bracket on the new hard drive and place the hard drive back again. RAM memory, here we see 2 RAM bays, one free, we have one free here, so you know, place the RAM memory, then push down. And finally, here is the CPU fan. You can unscrew the screws on this CPU cooling plate and take out the whole module, but in my case it's not so dirty, so I will just blow it up with compressed air. And after all, in a reverse order, place back the back cover, place the battery, and that's it. Thank you very much. Good luck.